And we're back. This time I'm going to show you basic transitions in Premiere Pro. Let's just put some video footage in our timeline. You will find that via the description link. I'll unlink it and get rid of the audio file, we don't need it. I do the same thing for the second footage. And now we've got a very simple cut between these two video files right here. So there is no real transition in there, it's a simple cut that changes from the first to the second file. Let's go to the beginning of the first file and apply a default transition. Just right click and default transition. And as you can see, we now have a cross dissolve that changes from black to the video footage. We can change the duration of that effect right here. Let's just make it 1 second 25. And now it fades in a little bit slower. We can fade out the second file in the same way, just right click and then apply default transition. And now we have a fade out to black. And once more, it's a cross dissolve that is being used as a default in Premiere Pro. When we want to have a transition between two files, just right click where these two files meet in your timeline and then apply the default transition. And once more, we have a cross dissolve. This time it's not fading from black or to black, it fades from the one footage to the second one. We've got more transitions obviously under effects, just type it in and just close the audio transitions, and under video transitions you will find lots of transitions that we will go over in the future in various tutorials. You can simply grab one of these and put it on your video footage and it will be applied. Once again, cross dissolve is the standard, and that's the reason why it's highlighted here. And this is all I wanted to cover when it comes to basic transitions in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.